Can e-commerce make you rich? Short answer, yes. Long answer, be very careful what you wish for because it could be the very downfall of your e-commerce empire. Hey guys, Sam here from Ecommerce.com, and today I want to answer a really important question from you guys. Can e-commerce make you rich? The short answer is yes, definitely. But be very careful about your goals because 1, wanting money can actually stop you from getting money. And 2, once you do get money, if you become obsessed with money and wealth, you can lose the mojo and the reason you actually got it in the first place. Okay, there's a bit to break down here and I'll get into it right now. And I really wish that someone had told me this a long time ago before I started actually building up my business. Money is like a pussycat. People see it, they want to pat it, they want to play with it, and they want that cat to love them and play with them too. The cat loves other people, it loves playing with them, so they want to play with it too. So they chase it all around the room, they chase it around the house, the garden, but the more they chase it, the more the cat eludes them and gets away. They get sad and frustrated because even though they're chasing this cat so much, it just keeps running away. They say, I'm working so hard, I'm chasing this cat so much, but no matter what I do, it just keeps getting away. Why doesn't it want me? But that's not how cats work. They need to change their approach. They need to do this. They go get a can of tuna from the cupboard, they sit down at the counter, they open the tuna, the cat immediately pricks up its ears and swaddles over like it does when it's trying to seduce you or something. It jumps up right into your lap and all of a sudden, boom, you've tamed the cat. This is exactly what money and wealth is like. So many e-commerce newbies become obsessed with chasing money, and this is exactly what happens. It always slips through their fingers. But if you stop and figure out what money wants, how you can add value, then you'll find that money chases you everywhere. This is why it's so important to keep a close eye on your goals and your motivations. Hey, making money is awesome. It brings a lot of freedom and opportunities. You won't need to work a job that you hate. You can provide for your family. You can live the life that you want to live. But think about how you can help people first. How can you add value with your products and your store? Okay, so you've tamed the cat. Now don't forget why it likes you. A lot of people will do things right at the start. They help people with their products and they make a lot of money. It's great. But then they become narcissistic and consumed by that money. They become obsessed with themselves and posting photos all over social media. They lose track of what made their store so successful and they become so focused on trying to extract money out of their customers without adding any value. So what do? They start chasing the cat again. And before you know it, the store starts to fail. Their competitors who do care about helping people start to come in and provide a better product and buying experience. Their competitors are now feeding the cat. They have all the tuna, they're giving it to the cat, and that cat loves tuna. So don't let this happen, guys. Keep your eyes on the prize and just keep on adding value and helping people with your products and your e-commerce store. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions at all, leave it in the comments, and please consider subscribing if you want to learn more about how you can grow your e-commerce store with my tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.